class. I'm very excited to show you a couple new programs that we're going to be using in media class from now until the rest of the year. These programs, we're going to be working with our Google accounts, which will be using programs like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. And we're also going to be using this brand new program that I found out about called Google Classroom. And Google Classroom is going to allow you the opportunity to have help from me even when I'm not even at your computer. So it's a really great tool for you to use when you're working in media class, and I am going to show you how to use that right now. So before we get started, I want you to notice something about my computer screen. I have a MacBook, which is an Apple version of a laptop, as my personal computer, and I use my personal computer to show you these videos. So my home screen is going to look a lot different than your home screen. So this is called a dock down here, and up here I'm going to have things in different places. For example, my date and time are located at the top of my screen, when on your screen it's at the bottom. Don't pay any attention to those because you're just going to need to be paying attention to what you see on Google Chrome screen. So when you see the dock and the bar at the top and it looks different, it has no play in what we're doing, so just ignore the differences. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open your Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome is the red, green, and yellow wheel, which you should know what that looks like, and you're going to open your Google Chrome browser. And it is going to take you to a variety of different Google homepages. If yours looks like this, perfect. If it doesn't, just type in google.com. You should see a blue sign-in button in the corner, and if you do not see the blue sign-in button, like I do not have, you're going to click the waffle. This is the waffle right here, and we call it the waffle because it has 9 little squares, kind of like a waffle that you make on a waffle maker. So you'll hear me refer to clicking on the waffle numerous times, and when I say that, this is what I am talking about. So you're going to click on the waffle, and you're going to see all these multiple icons pop up, and you're going to want to click on My Account. When you click on My Account, you're going to see this page, and now you will see the waffle and the blue sign-in button. You're going to click the blue sign-in button. Now I have many Google accounts. I have personal accounts through my college, and I also have an account through Wayne Wesleyan, so I'm going to use my Wayne Wesleyan account with you guys. Now on your screen, you're not going to have your names pop up like that since you have not logged in on those computers before. That's perfectly okay. All it's going to ask you to do is type in your username, which is going to be your username you used to log on the computer at wwcsd.net. And if we need reminders of that, I will be more than happy to help. Your password is going to be the exact same password you use to log onto the computers. So you're going to type in your birthday password and click sign in. Once you sign in, it'll say welcome and your first and last name. I am now going to click the waffle, and it's going to show me different programs. The 3 main programs we are going to be working with on Google is Google Docs, which is a word processing program. It's where you can type stories, letters, book reports, basically anything that you can print off on a piece of paper, you can create it in Google Docs. We're going to be working with Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet program, and we're going to be working with Google Slides, which is a slideshow presentation program. Depending on what grade you are in, you might work with all of these programs, you might work with one, you might work with 2. But I just want us to practice working with Docs for the time being, so I want you to click on Docs, and it will take you to the Docs home screen. And you're going to always want to create a new document when I ask you to, or you'll be opening an already existing document. So for now, we're going to hit blank, and it's going to take you to this, the Google Docs new document screen. It looks very similar to OpenOffice Writer program that we worked with before, which it's supposed to. It's a word processing program, so they all are going to have many similarities. Now that you have opened your Google Docs, I'm going to show you how to get to Google Classroom, which you're going to, for most weeks, have to log into. If you want a new tab, you're going to click New Tab. And to get to Google Classroom, it's very simple. You're going to type in classroom.google.com. classroom.google.com. Now, since I have been to Google Classroom numerous times on this computer, it's already going to pop up for me. So after logging into Google Classroom a few times on your computer, it's going to start doing this as well. Once you have typed in classroom.google.com, you're going to hit the Enter key. It's going to take you to Google Classroom. Now, since I have already logged into my Google account on this computer, I'm already logged in to Google Classroom because they are both related to Google. Now, when you log into Google Classroom, it's going to look a lot different than this. I have many different classrooms that I have created for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. When you log into Google Classroom, you're not going to have any classes so far. But what you are going to need to do is you're going to have to join your particular class. So, what you're going to have to do to join a class is you're going to have to hit the plus button that you're going to see by your Google username. It's going to just be a plus sign. You're going to click it and it's going to say join class and create a class. You don't want to create a class. That is for something that I would do. You're going to want to join a class, and it's going to say enter class code to join. Each class has a particular class code, and I will be giving you this class code before you even watch this video. You're going to see your class code and you're going to type it in right here. And once you type in your class code, you're going to hit this join button. I have no classes to join, so I can't really type in a code since I'm already a part of every single class. So I'm just going to hit cancel, but once you type in your class code, you are going to hit the button that says join. Once you hit join, it's going to take you to your class's home page. I'm just going to pick a class. I'm going to pick Mrs. Barber's 2nd grade class. I'm going to click on it. And this is Mrs. Barber's 2nd grade home page. Now, the only buttons you have to worry about on this page is the button that says stream. It's going to automatically take you to stream every time you log on. Your stream is kind of like your home page. Any new video or new assignment or comment that I post is going to come up on the stream page. So every week, I'm going to attempt to create a video every week to show you what we're doing for our assignments. It's going to come up on the stream page. And the more posts I have, the more you can scroll down. And the newest post will be located at the top of the page. What's really great about the stream page is if you need help and I am working with another student, the videos on this page that I will show you every week are there for your convenience. So if you're working on a Google Doc or a Google Sheet assignment and I'm explaining how to do it in the video and I'm currently working with another student, all you need to do is go to your Google Classroom and rewatch that video or rewatch the part of the video that you need further assistance with. And I will get to you when I can. So it's really cool because you have my help right on your computer screen, and I can also come and help you when I'm done working with whatever student I am working with. So it's going to really help you accomplish your work faster and really help you understand how to use whatever program we are working with. So I'm really excited about this. I feel like it's going to help you guys, it's going to help me out tremendously, and it's going to help us learn things a lot faster. So if you are at this point in the video, that means you have logged on to Google Classroom because the last step of today is to watch the video on Google Classroom. So, congratulations. You may now go to any of the typing sites I have posted around the room. There's about 5 different ones, so take your pick, and I look forward to using this program with you in the coming weeks. Have a wonderful rest of your day.